Hey you guys, Sylvia here, and welcome all to my automated commission system review. So here I have this training course by Ben Fletcher. It has just gone live today on the 16th of January. Okay, let me show you the vendor. This is Ben Fletcher. That's his score on Warrior Plus, and I do realize it's very important to to be aware of the vendor's score, his reputation, refund rates, and all of that. Okay, so yeah, well, check this out. 5 stars out of 5 is 5 stars out of 5, right? I don't need to say much more. All I'm gonna say before shooting this review, and by the way, the link to the sales page will be right below my video in the description box. Okay, so go check it out for yourselves. It's a very original sales page, and the front end is only $10, just under $10. Going back to Ben Fletcher, he is a vendor who I like to call him a real deal vendor. You know, what you see is what you get, because that's the way he is. He's very transparent, he's very authentic, he's very honest. Okay, super experience, well over a decade in the trenches, okay, in the affiliate marketing trenches. He knows what he's talking about. And as I was going through his training course, I've watched it all, guys. I have actually just finished watching all of the training, and I'm kind of coming late. I like to shoot a review before the product goes live. I like to upload it on YouTube, but because I haven't been feeling super well 100%, I sort of took my time, but I did want to go through every single video, and there's a lot to it, to be honest, a lot of content, and so valuable. And the fact that he sells it for $10, I mean, it's over the launch period, right? I'm sure he's gonna raise the price after the launch is done. But yeah, it's just insane that he sells it all for $10, the front end. There will be only a few upsells. I explained the upsells. I have them here. Guys, I have some amazing bonuses, like handpicked, most done by me. And here's I'll comment on my bonuses a bit later, but yeah, if you decide to buy it from me, you will get some amazing, valuable bonuses as well. Okay? And going back to Ben, yeah, his products are solid. Okay, not necessarily hypey, not necessarily the flashy thing everyone is going after, like to do with AI. I'm not saying this to disregard AI or to talk down when it comes to AI products, not at all. But, the system is always the same, pretty much, okay? The system that works. And that's what Ben focuses on, to mastering the system, to mastering the method, and sticking to it. He's very big on the mindset, the right mindset. He even has the whole module here in the bonus section. He added some amazing valuable like bonuses of amazing value to this training course as well. Okay, so he's got this like affiliate mindset bonus, which is a great video. Okay, so without further ado, let me just show you what you will find inside of the members area. So this is your sort of welcome video. Okay, after the welcome video, and guys, you can navigate this members area by just sort of scrolling down, and once you click on every of these images here, that will take you to either one video or most of the time to a series, quite a long series of quite a few videos, which I'll show you, okay? Because it's very important to, in my opinion, before purchasing the product, to see what's actually in it, right? But you can also navigate the members area from this sort of link button here, main training. As you can see, you have all of the modules here. Okay, so I'll go by clicking on, I'll show you everything by clicking on the first image. So here you have, it's welcome JV. It's gonna be your name here. Obviously JV is because it's the JV access. Okay, I asked Ben to give me the review access, and here I come, right? Now, so he's going to give you first the introduction about the system. So what the system is about. So here Ben talks about, you know, the four things that this system achieves. So it's deliberate, it's you know, desire, so you target your potential buyer's desire. It's repeatable, and it's scalable. So this system works. It is an automated system that, you know, you will be presented here. And then by going to the main training, you will find quite a few videos. Okay, the video number 1 is in the main training, will show you the system overview. So it's basically, you know, it's like we have seen this system over and over again, but nobody really explains it as transparently and as thoroughly as Ben Fletcher has done. Okay, this training course. And as he was saying, that it is probably the product he's most proud of, and I understand why after having watched all of it. Okay, because he really truly over-delivered. But what I really like that he went in detail. So obviously traffic. Okay, you're gonna send traffic to an opt-in page, and then it's about affiliate marketing, obviously. And then the opt-in page takes the traffic to the affiliate offer, and then they either buy, you get the commission, or if not, you will have an automation system using Aweber. And it's very cool that Aweber, the free Aweber account, comes with the automation, because GetResponse does it, does not. Okay, I'm actually considering moving. I mean, I have a free Aweber account too, but I have not been using. I've been mainly using GetResponse, but for that reason, I'm a little bit annoyed that they don't have within the free account, because I still use the free account, believe it or not. But they don't offer the free automation. So, but hey ho, you know, goodnews.com. Aweber will give it to you for free. Will give it to you for free. I like the sound of it, or not. Anyhow, so what I love is how much in detail, in depth, he went into explaining this whole Aweber setup, and he gives you email swipes. Not only does he give you the email swipes, but he teaches you how to write good email copy, and why is it important to customize the email swipes that you even get with every single affiliate offer. At least you should be able to have access to affiliate tools. Okay, so it is explained so like crystal clear. I was even like really like following, because there's a few things I picked here and there that I wasn't aware of, where he talks about like segmenting the list, tagging your subscribers, and all of that very important information that helps you, you know, further down the line. Right, so let me show you. You have the overview of the system, and then you have it all. Guys, if you click here, you can download the map, and you will have them in both, sort of. You see, this is the map, mind map of the system. But under almost each video, you will also have the PDF version and a lot of documents attached to the training that will be available from inside of the training, right? Now, in video number 2, he will talk about the profits that are in the process, and here is and obviously he will take you to Warrior Plus, but also ClickBank to help you decide which products are best to promote. And he does say, Ben says that don't spread yourself too thin unless you want to end up as a pancake. Okay, but I can imagine of, you know, better ways to end up as. So no, focus on the one product and do a proper automation follow-up. Okay, create a good landing page, and yeah, the amazing thing is that he walks you through the whole process of doing that. So from Warrior Plus, you sign up here. Here is a great bonus video on how to choose profitable Sorry, so again, how to choose profitable affiliate products in any niche, and how to set up your autoresponder. You can sign up here, and then from then on there will be like sort of sub modules. There's a lot more coming, guys. So here I'll show you how to create the landing page and all of the details that are very important, like nobody really talks about in those training courses about email marketing. Ben does draw your attention to those like important points. He says, now pay attention now, because that's important. Do it the right way. If you set it up the right way, you do it once and it's going to serve you for years to come. Okay, so get it right, just follow the training. Now, as you could see, if I click through this how to create a landing page, it takes me to the next page with a series of videos. So how to create a landing page, and then messaging and automation. So you see, like one button redirects me to another series of videos, right? And how to do the messaging and automation the right way, and the 3-day affiliate sequence, so the email automation, and you get all of those emails here. If I click on this file, you have those emails here, so which is amazing. You will just need to customize them, and yeah, plenty of videos, guys. And here the resources Ben recommends, so for shortening the links, for the countdown, and the amazing for bonuses, a platform to go to in order to get the bonuses, to sweeten up the deal, as they say. Okay, and these platforms, these tools, some of them are tools, are free, okay, most of the time. Now, what else do we have here? The story, okay, testing, and now he's just testing this email automation system, if it works. Now, the next module will be, if I go back to the main training and to show you where we are now. So I have shown you the overview, the main training, and now we go to paid training, right? And it's this one here. Now, Ben says very transparently that he is the master of paid training. Okay. Now, he will show you how to get good sellers from Udemy. And I do wish to emphasize good sellers. I'm not a big fan of solo ads myself, especially for beginners, but they do work. Okay, marketers work with them all the time. The point is to know whom to buy the solo ads from. So if you can get advice from someone who's got years of experience with it, then, take the advice. And here you have the Udemy Fast Start Guide here. Again, 16 pages document all about Udemy, all you need to know. And it was written by Ben. Okay, it's his personal advice to do with Udemy. Here, he will introduce you to another paid, traffic source. It's called Traffic Zest. You cannot just sign up to this platform. You need to get an invitation, okay? And Ben will give you here this invite link that you can use. Now, another wholesale premium traffic he will recommend here. This is a seller he has had a lot of personal experience with, so he recommends that guy. And then next traffic module will be free. Okay, in this video, and if I take you back to the members area, the home page, my goodness, we are here, guys, the free traffic, okay, the free traffic. So we have a few more modules to talk about. So free traffic, in this video, Ben says he's not the master of free traffic, he's the master of paid traffic. That's why he attached quite a few videos by Kevin Farley, a legend, okay, when it comes to affiliate marketing, on free traffic. So Kevin will talk to you about how to use Medium, how to use Facebook, how to set up the Facebook profile for attracting targeted buyers, YouTube, okay, blog posts and shares. It's all free traffic. Now, after that, that's it, okay? From there on, you will need to go to the bonus section, which in this here video, Ben will talk about ads, how to set them up, Okay, it's about, you know, metrics. Which pill do you take? Okay, do you want to be asleep or do you want to be awake? All right, so the mistakes to avoid when it comes to ads and his like time and battle tested, as they say, ad swipes, like what you call them? Well, ads, right? That he's been using and which have worked for him. Alright, and in the bonus section about the mindset, Ben will talk about the right mindset, and without the right mindset, you will most likely fail. So, watch that video, like perseverance, determination, patience, is a must, right? And then in the Super Affiliate Toolbox, Ben will show you all of the tools he personally uses and he recommends. Alright, so you have it nicely all put together. Again, the system focuses, guys, on picking one good offer and sticking to it and doing the automation, and also like setting up the autoresponder the right way, like segmenting, tagging your subscribers and all of that. So very impressive training course, guys. Yeah, really highly recommended. The sales page is super cool, super fun, all done by Ben. That's what I love about this guy. You know, I would not say he uses AI much. It's all him. You know, the way he writes is the way he talks in his training videos. He says, I don't employ anyone, I don't hold any stock either. In general, I spend a couple of hours each day in my business browsing affiliate offers to promote, sending an email to my list, and a few other small tasks. There you go, you see? So that's him and his beautiful dog. And he's talking about his lifestyle. I mean, he doesn't like beat around the bush and doesn't say that it is achievable, the success is achievable within a year or two, or I'm not even talking about a few weeks or months, unless you have a lot of money to invest in paid traffic, right? But you know, you just need to approach it as a business and, you know, and stick to it. Alright guys, my bonuses are here, so pause the video and check them out. There's plenty I'm giving away, really, but this offer deserves it. And now let's go through the funnel. So the front end, only $10, just under. OTO number 1 is affiliate all access for $197, and with this OTO, upsell number 1, you will get access to additional 5 more affiliate products covering high ticket offers, top converting offers, affiliate networks, affiliate email marketing, and super affiliate profit strategies. So yeah, you will be well off with this OTO. A bit pricey, but well, a lot of value. OTO number 2, underground traffic systems for $97, underground traffic methods to maximize affiliate commissions. And then we have OTO number 3, which is partner and bank for $97, access to several of Ben's products that you can resell as your own, so reseller rights. Okay, all right guys, I believe I have covered pretty much everything. Okay, amazing training course, a lot of value. Okay, and again we are talking about Ben Fletcher, who's an amazing vendor. I truly appreciate and respect him a lot, and I know he creates solid quality products, and this is the prime example, probably one of his best products he has ever put together. Okay, so if that's for you, the link will be in the description box. Go grab it. $10, trust me. You will come back to thank me that I recommended it to you. Okay guys, love you and leave you, and ciao, see you very soon.